US 30. So we had a switch red here on the 15 going down, but always look at the higher time frame. So we had a switch red right here, and we had a sell here right at right at the 7 o'clock. So we'll see how that trade is going. We did have some news, so for sure we have to double check that. I'm just gonna go around the pairs and see exactly where we're at. We had a buy here on SSP 500 on the 15 after a SG, and on the 1 hour we're in a sell region. So always be careful here if you have the opposite type of trade on the lower time frame. It's not a good idea to take it unless you have a switch green on the higher time frame on the 1 hour. So same thing for Nasdaq, going short right now. And on the 15 we had a SR FG. So always want to see the SG on the higher time frame just to confirm the trend. So this the SG on the 15 is only a short time trend. So always look at that. So we have I'm just gonna pull up Euro USD first, and we'll look at other pairs afterwards. Or just we did have some news here, so we're gonna look at it. But we had a switch red on the H1, still looking bearish, and on the 15. No setup yet. I'm just gonna double check my settings in regards to the hour. Yeah, so I haven't opened more than that. So usually it's 3 to 12. So nothing yet on the 15 and on the 1 hour, but we're supposed to look at bearishness here overall. Exactly. So just wait a little bit. You don't need to take the trade right away when you get the SR. Just wait to see exactly confirmation, and sometimes it's going to give you a longer trade, a longer period of a SR. So you could have multiple areas that you could enter for a sell, and you have to remember where you're at in the cycle. So we are Thursday, sorry. So Thursday, Friday. So be careful. But like I said, usually they're gonna start the trend near the end of the week for next week. So you just have to monitor it and see exactly based off of COT if we're gonna have a Euro JPY on the list. If that's the case, that means that it's a high probability chance that we're gonna have some big moves for that week, for that pair. So always look at the SR on the higher time frame in conjunction with the COT. Yeah, so we had Euro Swiss right now, so it's looking good right now for a sell. So we got the sell set up. We have a SR on H1 that we got a few minutes ago, and we have a setup on the 15 right now.